Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Zahra Hashmi, your English teacher. In English classes, we will be reading a lot and writing a lot, inshallah. And to become strong writers, you must become avid readers. And in lesson 1, we are reading a story Lara the Yellow Ladybird, written by Catherine Holthausen, Martha Evans, and Nadine Creel. And this beautiful book is illustrated by Catherine Holthausen. Lara the ladybird was a special bug. Unlike all her friends, she had bright yellow wings. Everyone loved her yellow wings. Each morning, BB Butterfly said hello, and Manto Mantis always waved. Even Sissa, the sulky spider, was happy to see her. At school, she played with lots of friends. But Lara wanted to be like the other ladybirds. I wish I had red wings like you, Mama, she cried. So one day, to cheer her up, Lara's mother painted her wings bright red. The next morning, nobody greeted Lara on her way to school. And when she got there, none of her friends said hello. Lara sat all alone. No one noticed her new red wings. Until Miss Mia spotted her and said, "You've painted your lovely yellow wings." Lara's classmates were shocked. "Your wings are special, so unique, so rare." "Lara," Miss Mia said, "your wings are what make you you, like Sipho's spot and Sally's legs." Back home, Lara took a long bath and scrubbed until her golden wings gleamed. "I'll never paint my wings again," she thought, "except maybe once or twice, to try a bit of purple or something nice, but not forever and just for fun." Lovely ladybird. Did you enjoy the story? Was it good? I really enjoy reading it to you. I hope you will be reading so many storybooks in free time. And if you have any questions, you can always write to me on the email provided, and I'll get back to you definitely. Take care of yourself. Have a great day.